You get that?
Ben's cleaning. Good job, Ben. He grabbed a towel out of the cabinet and he's going around cleaning.
Clean that?
Oh yeah, that needed cleaning.
Okay, what else?
Oh, good boy.
How about the
He's
window?
a quick cleaner, guys. Oh, yeah, the tree's
How about
fine.
the window, buddy?
You want to clean the window? Look at the snow. Oh, good boy. He tried cleaning our planter. Got a little dirt on the floor, but that's okay. We cleaned it up. You're a good cleaner, buddy. What's next? Oh, wow, that's dirty. Clean the floor behind the door. Good boy. Oh, thank you. And there's our calendar. We're one day behind. We need to put something in for the 19th. Grandma Stetzer made this for us last year. He loves picking out ornaments. Oh, he's still cleaning. Hey, Ben. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. You want to clean up here? There you go.
Clean that table up. Oh, or eat some of Dada's sandwich.
Some chips instead.
Hey, Ben, can you say bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.